Hey guys, it's Brand from Exponential Media, and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about one thing that a lot of small businesses struggle with, which is social media engagement. Now, it doesn't have to be difficult and it doesn't have to be very time consuming either. It's actually fairly easy. So, three ways that you can boost your social media engagement are by creating polls, starting comments or conversations in your comment section either on Facebook or Instagram, and also doing raffles or giveaways if your industry allows for it. So for creating polls, if say you're a landscaper and you wanted to ask, what's your favorite backyard activity? Or what are you doing this summer in your backyard? Anything like that kind of gives people an opinion and feels like their opinion matters. And sometimes it's fun to answer polls. The next, starting conversations in your comment sections. This is really good if you want to ask people how you can improve your company, what sort of trends are going on in the industry that they like or dislike, anything like that gives people a voice and makes them feel like their voice matters. The last is giveaways and raffles. So what's really popular nowadays is people have a post and it'll say tag 3 friends and you're entered into our raffle or a free giveaway. And a lot of people, it's fairly easy, tagging 3 people. So a lot of people do this. It gets a lot more people engaged on your Facebook page, viewing your page, and especially if you do raffles frequently, more people will check in on your page and it'll boost your social media engagement.